Today we are going to make amazing mini rose flower. Hi friends, welcome to diycraftysewing channel. To make this flower, here I am taken 1/4 inch satin ribbon having the length 12 centimeters. Now give a heat touch up to the edges of the ribbon. Take the needle along with thread and give a running stitch to the ribbon as shown here. Before start stitching, give a corner fold to the starting and ending point of the ribbon as shown here. Now gently pull the thread to form the gatherings. Make sure after gathering the length of the ribbon should be half of the length, that is actual ribbon length is 12 centimeters. After gathering, ribbon length should be 6 centimeters. Now as shown in the video, pull the ribbon, secure that roll by giving stitching. This flower gives a great look for your crafts. You can use this flower for brooch works, embroideries, hairpins, baby frocks, etc. For the leaf, here I am taken 1 inch ribbon, that is 2.5 centimeters width and length is 5 centimeters. Fold the ribbon and join the two openings by giving heat touch up as shown in the video. Form the fold as shown here and give a running stitch from one corner to another corner. Now pull the thread and join the flower and leaf by giving stitches as shown in the video. Our beautiful flower is ready to use. If you like our video, please like it. If you are not subscribed, please subscribe for more upcoming videos. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.